To start our project, I'm just going to cut a shape, any random shape, out of my half-sized piece of paper. So I could draw this out ahead of time if I wanted it to be something specific, but I like to surprise myself. What could I cut out without planning it? So here I've got this kind of blobby shape. I'm going to put my pieces back on that side, kind of fit it back in, and then flip it over. I'm not going to glue anything yet. I want to just kind of lay it out for now. And so I'm just going to cut some more shapes out of this half piece of paper. They can be more organic shapes with lots of curvy lines or more geometric shapes. I'm just going to keep playing around with it, cutting it out, fitting it back in, and then flipping it over without gluing anything until I'm all the way done. So you may have noticed I've decided I'm going to cut a shape out of the shape I already cut out. And this way I just fit it back into the shape on the right side and then flip it over to the left side. So I can even cut some more shapes out of those and kind of flip them back and forth. I could keep going. I could cut another shape out of that circle and then put it back on the right side. But I think I'm going to be done. I'm ready to start gluing. I'm using here a glue stick, and I'm pulling my piece off to the side to glue it. I wouldn't want to glue it on top of my project, otherwise I get glue smudges. So I put the glue on my what's left over of my cutout piece, and I'm lining it up really nice on the edge. I don't want to see any orange on that edge where the blue should be. And I'm going to fit all of my pieces back into my paper, and it looks like a whole paper again, more or less. I will slide the piece up, put the glue on, and then flip it over. Really lining it up as well as I can with that edge. Now I can also be using a glue bottle, same thing. I swish it on up, and then I flip it over and glue it down. Slide my piece up, put some glue on it, and flip it over, trying to make sure it is perfectly symmetrical. Now I'm at the place where I have this little insert piece, and I just want to kind of flip that out and put it back in there. I wouldn't slide it up to put glue on because I need to make sure I flip it the correct direction. I wouldn't want it to be upside down. As I'm doing this, notice I'm just doing really not a lot, and that is very sufficient amount of glue in order to get these pieces to stay. Glue bottle or glue stick is your choice. Just make sure it's not oozing glue. And then once you got them all down, you are done. Close those containers and we're good to go with our name.